Died, didn't have no crank over. Just noticed that wasn't getting any good response. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go out for the fuel filter right now. That's what I'm gonna do. And that's right there. Get a half-inch wrench. Right in there. It's heavy, so lets me know I have water on it. So we're gonna change it out.